I'm Chris Meyer. Join me and the Legendary Customs team as we take ordinary rides and craft them into legendary customs. Up behind me is a 1968 Chevy Camaro, and we are taking and making it breathe like fine wine. Right now it has 2¼ inch exhaust on it, and it's a 502 big block. 502 is supposedly putting out about 700 horsepower. 700 horsepower through 2¼ inch exhaust is choking it down. So everything here is just to let it breathe. So this is the original exhaust. Nate is working on it, getting it out. The headers are a hooker header. Those will stay. Those do not come off, but from there back will be all new. And again, this is 2¼ inch. We're going to be putting in 3 inch. Hopefully it'll all fit. Does look tight. We'll figure it out. Okay, Nate has been working on a bolt-on system as he rolls his eyes over there for almost a day and a half. Yes, it is designed for this car. Yes, it has been fitted for this car at the factory. However, there is nothing bolt-on about it. To get the proper clearance with a full 3 inch outer dimension exhaust system, we had to actually alter the bolt-on system. Putting it in, no alterations, no way in hell. It was hitting everything that it had the opportunity to hit, and it would have made rattling noises to beat all rattling noises going down the road. Every bump you would have hit would have been a clunk, a clank, and terrible. So it is done. Let's hear what it sounds like. Okay, so we have it outside. Let's see what 3 inch sounds like compared to 2¼ inches.